Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove background in Adobe Photoshop. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And give this tutorial a big thumbs up. Let's get started. First of all, double click and select this image. And hit open. Here I want to remove this white background color with an action. Go to Window and open Actions panel. Now choose Load Actions. Here select this background remove action. You can also download this action below in description. Now hit load. Action loaded. Several options are there. But I want to remove the white background. So I choose White Remover, and hit play button below. Hit continue. Cool. Here some wanted part of the image also deleted, but don't worry. Now select the mask layer, then choose brush option. And also put white color as foreground color. Now cover the missing parts with brush tool like this. Perfect. You can use any image or color as background. Finally, thank you and need your support.